Welcome back to another episode of Penny for Your Thoughts. It's your boy Chuck, and today we back with another Should That Shoe Be Retro.
No information from the street so far?
In this episode of Should That Shoe Be Retro, we're talking about a shoe, man, that kind of set off the whole resale market, the whole game, man. This shoe, I saw somebody sell this shoe, 2 pairs for $250 a piece, man. Dude came up, he wanted 2 size 13s, and they sold 2 of these shoes for $250 a piece, man. Total of $500. A couple of weeks later, maybe a month later, this shoe was going for $1,000, man. We're talking about the Lebron 8 South Beach, man. Not the Lebron 9 South Beach that everybody got their hands on. We're talking about the 8, man. Y'all already know that shoe is fire, man. But before we get into that, I'm gonna need for you guys to hit that subscribe button, hit that bell icon so you guys can be notified we dropping new content to the channel. And also, you guys can follow us on our social media accounts at PENNY_4YT. That's on Instagram and on Twitter. If you guys want to get any of this Penny for Your Thoughts merch, as you can see, I got the burgundy hoodie on, the P4YT, and I got the burgundy OG penny hat on. If you guys want to get any of this merch, you guys can email us at p4yt2016@gmail.com. Enough with the talking. Let's get into the shoe. Here you guys go. The Lebron 8 South Beach. This is when he was playing in Miami. Dwayne Wade, Chris Bosh. Won a couple chips there together. Let's get into the shoe, man. As you can see, got the turquoise all around, turquoise leather. You know what I'm saying? Pink shoestrings. They come with black shoestrings too also. So if you want, you can put the black shoestrings in depending on how you feel. Got suede up here. Got that, that glow in the dark sole, clear airbag, black around here, black swoosh, LeBron signature here, fly wire on the inside here. Got the black and pink tone with the pink eyes. I don't know if y'all can see that. Hopefully y'all can. And the inside, it's a designed and engineered by LeBron James. Man, this shoe right here is just fire, man. From the first time I seen it, man, I like the LeBron 8 a lot. I got a couple pairs of these, but from the first time I seen this shoe, I liked it a lot, man. I just thought the shoe was fire, man. I just thought, like, yo, this is a dope shoe, man. It's not too bulky like most basketball sneakers, because a lot of basketball sneakers and LeBrons in general are bulky, but this right here, I would say the 7 and the 8 are not bulky at all, man. You can wear them on the court, off the court, and I think that's what they're getting back into now with the LeBrons. You can wear them on the court and off the court, so that's a good thing. But this shoe right here, man, for me, this is the shoe right here that set it off for all the big resale and making a lot of money off reselling sneakers, man. This shoe right here shot up to $1,000 within a couple weeks, and it's been consistently from anywhere from $1,000 to $2,000 ever since, man. These are dead stock. I never even wore these before, but I figured I'd bring it to the channel and let you guys see them, man, get a glimpse of them, see them in somebody's hand. I know you guys probably haven't seen them in a while, so I figured I'd bring them to you guys, man. But this shoe is fire, man. And being how they retro in a lot of LeBrons, I figure I'll bring one of the LeBrons out of my personal collection to show you guys, man. But this is definitely a fire shoe. This shoe is clean. I haven't wore it because I only have 1 pair, and I don't want to mess them up. That's how much I like this shoe, man. But y'all let me know what y'all think about them, man. If y'all think they fire, man, leave in the comments below, man. If y'all don't, leave in the comments below, man. I answer all questions, man. I get back to everything. All comments I answer to. These are clean, man. Look at, man, it's just, what's wrong with this shoe? I don't think there's anything wrong with this shoe, man. It's so crisp and clean, man. The leather feels premium on here. Got the fly white hair, also fly white hair. Man, got the pink lion hair, man. These are a few of the good things that came out of LeBron going to Miami. A couple championships and a couple of dope shoes. Definitely, man. But let me know what you guys think, man. Leave in the comments below, man. But I really definitely think this shoe should be on the should get retro list, man, because they retro in a lot of LeBrons, and I really think this is one of the shoes that should get retro. Let me know what y'all think. If y'all think it don't need to be retro, man, leave in the comments below, man. But these is fire, man. Look at this, man. This is just clean. Clean shoe, bro. Clean. Fire. Got the swoosh here, too. You know what I'm saying? Translucent swoosh right here. Like I mentioned, they come with black shoestrings also, too, if you don't like the pink. But I just put the pink on there so I can have that pop. But like I said, if y'all want me to dig in my closet and find any more shoes that you guys want me to bring to the channel, man, leave in the comments below. If I have the shoe or if I know somebody that do have the shoe, I'll bring it to the channel for you guys. With that being said, we keeping it 100 and not a penny less. Peace.